Hello, brilliant learners! This is part one of the next book in the Writing Ready series, Shape Bugs. Now, the Writing Ready series was created to help encourage children, adults, and anyone who needs to work on their manuscript handwriting and to help encourage them to get excited about writing. So, the first thing that I want you to notice here is that the book is a gray color. It's available on Amazon and KDP and Kindle. Now, take a look at this. Again, it's gray. It's a light gray color. So it's easy to take a Sharpie or something like that and write on it. Like, for instance, my daughter, I'm writing on her book, Go Ella Go. And my son Eli's, I'll write something on there that will encourage him too. Like, he loves cars, he loves all things boy. So it might be something like his latest is the new Space Jam. So, Eli, you are clever like bugs, or something like that. Just something to get him excited. Then he can put some Space Jam stickers on it. In part two, with Shape Bugs, you'll get to see how he decorates his. Now, if you check out the other YouTube videos, you'll see some of the other decorations as we continue putting up more videos. So let's take a look at this. Now, the first page always has a letter from the author. That's me. I didn't introduce myself. I'm Leah Dula Brown, and I am the author of the Writing Ready series, and I have a Master's of Education, MED, and I have been in education for over 15 years, more recently as a private tutor, but I've taught groups with as many as 200 people in them. And I have also, and that's parents that I have taught in that way, and high schoolers as well. But I have also taught in a classroom setting, so I've learned a few tricks of the trade. Now I want you to take a look at this high five here in the bottom, this blue handprint. What also sets Writing Ready aside, we're also coming out with Reading Ready, so I just gave you a little Easter egg there. The high five is an encouragement piece, so they can high five the book. And it's important because we want to get our children excited about what they do. We want to get anyone excited and help them know that they can do anything that they want to do. There's brilliance in everyone. You just got to figure out how to find it and pull it out. So take a look at this first page here. If you look, I decided with this one, I made shape bugs. Now take a look at this. The shapes that we use here they're all ovals but of different sizes. So it's great for the learner to see that ovals can be in different sizes, but they're still an oval. They're round like a circle, so they're continuous with no sides. Now if you look here, what makes Writing Ready different also is the fact that we have the title case, which is the first word is capitalized, the first letter of the word, and then we have all caps, and then we have all lowercase. So that's what makes it different. So every word that they could see, every way that they could see the word is on there. And then we also have bug, because a butterfly is technically a bug. And it's always great to incorporate words in there that you want them to know that are associated with each other, because especially small children, their brains are firing like wildfire. And so much of our learning is actually done between the ages of birth through 5 years old. That's not to say that no one can learn. We can. It's just that the synapses and everything that's firing in our brain tend to be a lot faster when we're that little. Now, you see the word oval. Now this one is just in title case. And here's a circle. But if you would like to see that in all of the different cases that we use here, we actually have the Writing Ready Ultimate Shapes book that has those in there. And that goes further than just the typical circle, square, triangle. We do star, cross, arc, all of those things. So then the next one, you have triangle. You have all of the cases in that one too. And then our next bug. Both of my children love bugs, except for spiders. My daughter does not like spiders. My son, he likes them. But here's a dragonfly. And if you'll notice down here, again, a dragonfly is technically a bug. So we have the word bug on here. Then we have triangle and oval. Those are the shapes that are used to make this bug. Now, let's go a little bit further in the book so you can see Here's crescent. Crescent. Now, it's important too to make the connection to our kids that yes, a moon is a crescent. When you bite a cookie with a big bite, that's a crescent. Always point out shapes. Now, let's turn to the next page and I'll show you the next bug here. This one, it starts to get more complicated. That's right, this is my daughter's right here. She just helped me with one of the other videos. But this is a bee. We used quite a few shapes for this one. Triangle, oval, crescent, and circle. Now, if you look a little bit further, they have a chance to trace each of these and write the word. And remember, high five that book and give your child a high five and make a big deal about it. Tell them, ooh, you did awesome, well done. Anything to get them excited. So let's keep flipping through. I have created shape ants, shape ladybugs, beetles, caterpillars, spiders, and then you have the You Try pages, so you can encourage your child to use shapes. And then go on a nature walk outside. Walk them around outside. Have them point out the shapes of different things. Ooh, look at that window. That's a square. Oh, wait. It has two short sides and a long side. It's a rectangle. It's important to just learn continuously. Now, here is the next page after you have done all the You Try pages, and it's that high five page. Write the word high five. Now, the next page here is the Certificate of Achievement. Each Writing Ready book has a certificate. Feel free to cut it out, and paste it on the wall. And make sure that you encourage your child with the name and date. Have them write their own name because it's important to see how much their handwriting has changed over time. Then you have a letter with some tips. And always, 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 you have a few blank pages, 2 blank pages where the child can color, encourage them to use shapes, have them draw your house using squares and triangles, have them draw a sun. You can make the sun as a circle or as a triangle, any way that you'd like. And then there's the ABC practice. This page is in every Writing Ready series. Now, have fun with learning and have a wonderful time. It was so great to see you again, brilliant learners. And happy learning. See you next time. Thank you.